Hello navigators, welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to set up a simulation in which we are going to use two-phase Euler form, and we are going to use similar test cases that we have been using in this particular lecture series, and we will see that what different parameters we have to set in different dictionaries to use this particular solver. Let's get started. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.